So hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi and welcome back to my channel Fun with Data Science. So basically in the last video we have seen that why we are going to study statistics for data science, and then secondary we have seen the definition for statistics, that what is a statistics, and then we have seen the types of statistics. Today what we are going to cover is mean, median and mode, that what is mean, what is median and what is mode, and then we are going to see the examples for them. So basically what does mean? We are going to take the arithmetic mean here, and I know that many of you must be familiar with the mean, that what does the mean. Let's take an example for it. Let me take the pen size a little bit smaller as it is creating a very mess up here. Let's erase it. And okay, so let's take this one. Okay. Now let's take an example for it. I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have taken these 5 numbers. Now let's take a mean for that. So what is mean? Mean is that you need to take all these numbers, you need to add all these numbers and divide by the total of the numbers which are here. So we can do, what is that, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. What we have done, we have taken the summation of all these 5 numbers, and after that we have divided this summation of numbers by the total of these numbers. So their total number is 5. So there are total 5 numbers. So what we have done is that firstly we need to take the summation of all the numbers and then divide that summation by the total number here. So the total summation for the numbers is here 5, 4, 9, 9, 3, 12, 14 and then 15. We got 15 here, and when we divide it by 5 we got the output, we got the final result as 3. So basically the mean for 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these numbers is 3. I hope I made it clear to you how to find the mean. Once again I am repeating that whatever the numbers are present here, what you need to do is that take the summation of all the numbers, that is I have done 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and then the secondary thing is that you need to divide all these numbers by the total numbers present here. Let's say we add one more number here, that is 6. Let's say we add it. So here we will do plus 6, and then we will not write 5, we will divide it by 6 because the total number here are 6. So I hope I made this clear to you, that what is mean and how do we take out the mean. Now next comes the median. For median also let's take the same example, and what I have done is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have taken the same example for median. Now what is median? Median is the middle element which is present among these all of the elements. So here what is the middle element? Middle element is 3. Say check it from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and among 5 elements the middle element would be 3 only. The third element, that is, so here the third element is 3. So the median for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 3. Now this is for the odd numbers. For odd numbers, what we do, we take out the middle element of the numbers we have and we declare it as the median. Now, if we have even numbers, so what I do here is I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here what's the middle element? There is not a single middle element. We have two middle elements here, 3 and 4. So now what we do here is that if we have even numbers list and we need to take out the median from a list of even, total number of even, so here even is that we have here 6 numbers. Fine. So from these 6 numbers, if we need to take out the median, so here we do not have a single middle element, we have two middle elements. So what we do here is that, let me write even here, and what we do here is that we take the both the middle elements 3 plus 4 and then we divide it by 2. We take the arithmetic mean here. Now I have told you about the arithmetic mean, that what does arithmetic mean? We need to do the summation and then divide it by the total numbers which we have there. So I want to take the arithmetic mean of 3 and 4. So what I do is here I had added 3 and 4 and I have divided it by 2. I have taken 3 plus 4 by 2. So what is this? 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 by 2. That is 3.5. So the median for this even number of list is 3.5 and the median for this odd number is 3.3 or only 3. So I hope I made the median thing clear to you, that what is median and how do we find out the median. Now what is the mode? Let's say for mode we have taken an example that we have a numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have total 6 numbers. So in mod, what is there, that whatever the number which is repeated the most times is the mode of that numbers list. So here we have 1 2 times repeated in this list. We have 2 one time only, 3 only one time, 4 only one time and 5 only one time. So the definition for the mode is that when a number there's a number which is repeated more than one time in a number list, then it is known as the mode of that list. So here 1 is repeated 2 times. So the mode of this list is 1. Now let's take one more example that I have written. Let's say 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. 5. Now, what would be the mode here? The mode would be 2 because 2 is the number which is repeated the most times in this list. So, 2 is repeated 3 times and here 1 is repeated 2 times. So, we have, let me erase this one thing. Okay, it's creating, actually it has gone in the next line, so it's not fine. Let's take it as single line example. So here what I have done is that I have written a list of numbers in which we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2 and 4. So basically here 2 is repeating 3 times. So the mode for this would be 2. As the definition says that the mode for a number list is that the number which is repeated more times in that single list is the mode of that numbers list. So I think I made this clear to you about the mean, median and mode. Let's revise once that what is mean. Mean is the arithmetic mean, and mean is the sum of all the numbers divided by the total number which are in this number list. Then next, what is median? Median is the number which is present in the middle of that number list. And what is mode? Mode is the number which comes more times in that list, which comes repeatedly more times in that list is called the mode for that number list. So I hope you must understand till now the mean, median and mode, that what are these things and how do we find out and what are the formulas for finding that out. So I hope I made it clear to you, and if any doubts are left, you can do the comment box. You can refer me in the comment box. I will tell you that whatever your doubts will be, I will reply to that. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.